Question number 19th. Show that the relation R defined by a relation is given ordered pair AB related to ordered pair CD such that A plus D is equal to B plus C on A cross A when A is equal to A is given 1, 2, 3 and 1 till 10 is an equivalence relation. You have to show that it is an equivalence relation and write the equivalence class. Write the equivalence class. Three comma. You have to write equivalence class 3, 4. Is it clear? Now we'll start from reflexive. First we'll prove that it is reflexive, then it is symmetric, then it is transitive. So I can say that it is an equivalence relation, reflexive. So how will we do? We'll write let always when it was given A related to B. So what will we write? A related to A. But here it is A comma B. So we will write AB related to AB. Is it clear? AB related to AB. So let A comma B is related to A comma B. So according to this, AB related to AB. If AB is related to CD, so what they are writing? A plus D is equal to B plus C. A plus D. So here I will write A plus B is equal to B plus C. B plus C means B plus A. And you know A plus B is equal to B plus A. So I can say relation is reflective or AB is related to AB reflexive. This relation is reflexive. Second part is symmetric. We have to prove that this relation is symmetric. How will we do? Let AB related to CD, then you will write A plus D is equal to B plus C. A plus D is equal to B plus C. You want, if AB is related to CD, you want CD is related to AB. CD related to AB. If CD will related to AB, then what will you write? C plus B is equal to, according to this relation, C plus B is equal to D plus A. Can I write this A plus D is equal to B plus C, C plus B is equal to D plus A? Can I write? Yes. This I will shift here. C plus B I can write is equal to what? D plus A plus D or D plus A. So I can say that CD is related to AB also. So AB is related to CD, CD is related to AB. So relation is what? Symmetric. Is it clear? Relation is symmetric. Now third one is transitive. We have to prove that it is transitive. So I will write let AB related to CD. You like this will do. AB related to CD and CD is related to EF. So according to this, what will we write? A plus D. A plus D is equal to B plus C and this I will write C plus F is equal to D plus E. So give equation number 1, equation number 2. Now you want relation between AB and EF. What you want? A plus F is equal to D plus B plus B plus E. If this is transitive means what? A plus F is equal to B plus E. We want this one. So first I will do add both equations. So I will get A plus D plus C plus F is equal to B plus C plus D plus E. Is it clear? Plus D this side. Plus D this side, it will come, so it will be minus D or plus D cancel. Plus C cancel. So you are getting what? A plus F is equal to B plus E, which is the required condition for this relation to be transitive. So I can write A comma B is related to E comma F. So I can say this relation is transitive also. So I can say the relation is an equivalence relation because the relation is reflexive, the relation is symmetric and the relation is transitive. transitive. Now you have to find the equivalence class for ordered pair 3, 4. Equivalence class for ordered pair 3, 4. So how will you do? So equivalence class for 3, 4. So how will write? Let A, B. Here something will come. Relate to this 3, 4. Whatever be the relation, this last second ordered relation between the second term, like this one, A related to B. So you know this one is what? 3, 4. This is fixed. You have to change this value and find the relation. So AB related to 3, 4. It means what? AB is related to 3, 4 means what? A plus 4 is equal to B plus 3. A plus 4 is equal to B plus 3. And value starts from what? 1. So when A is equal to 1, B is equal to, A is equal to 1. So 1 plus 4. 1 plus 4 is equal to what? B plus 3. Or 5 is equal to B plus 3. Or B is equal to what? 5 minus 3, that is 2. So B value is what? 2. So, is it clear? So, I can write one ordered pair 1, 2. When A is equal to 2, A is equal to 2 means 4 plus 2, 6. 6 is equal to B plus 3. So B is equal to what? 6 minus 3, so B is equal to what? 3. So another pair is what? 2, 3. When A is equal to 3, so it will be what? 7. So B is equal to what? 4. When A is equal to 4, A is equal to 4, B is equal to 5. Like you are increasing 1, 2, 3, 4, here it is increasing 2, 3, 4, 5. Like this you will go. Get when A is equal to 9, B will be what? 9 plus 4, 13. B is equal to what? 13 minus 3, that is what? 10. As I put when A is equal to 10, you can put A is equal to 10, no problem, because A is till what? 10. All 10 numbers are there. So when I put when A is equal to 10, you will get B will be 11. But A and B both should be related to this set. But B is equal to 11. It's not there. It's only till 10. So this condition I can take. Only I can take till 9. 2, 3, 3, 4, 4, 5, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 2, 3, 3, 4, 4, 5, 5, 6, 6, 7, 7, 8, 8, 9, 9, 10. 10, 11 I can't write. Equivalence class of 3, 4. Equivalence class 3, 4 is equal to, what will you write? Here you can write like this. Write this A, B. So 1, 2, 2, 3, 3, 4, 4, 5, 5, 6, 6, 7, 7, 8, 8, 9, 9, 10. Is it clear? So this is the equivalence class of 3, 4. Ordered pair 3, 4. Now, is clear what is equivalence class? Okay, thank you.